Here's how to fix the Steam Update Failed error on your PC. Step 1. Clear Steam download cache. Start by opening Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, click Downloads from the left panel. Click Clear Download Cache. Steam will warn you that you will be signed out. Confirm the action. Steam will restart automatically. Log back into your account once prompted. Clearing the download cache removes corrupted update files that can cause update failures. Step 2. Reset Steam network settings. After logging back in, open Steam settings again. Click Downloads. Change the download region to the nearest location or a different nearby region. Close Steam completely. Then reopen Steam. Resetting Steam's network configuration forces Steam to reconnect to update servers. Step 3. Repair Steam service. If the update still fails, repair the Steam service. Close Steam completely. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type and press Enter. If Steam is installed on a different drive, adjust the path accordingly. Wait for the repair process to finish. Once completed, restart your computer. After restarting, open Steam normally. Repairing the Steam service fixes background components required for Steam updates to install correctly. After completing these steps, the Steam Update Failed error should be resolved. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.